Well guys, let's work with the second question here. Here it says find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle of length. Right, that's the length. It's given to me as 12 centimeters and the breadth is like 7 centimeters. That's what's given to me, right? Now what is he looking for? He's looking for the diagonal, this guy. Right, we know from the properties of a rectangle that opposite sides are equal. It means if that is 7, even this is 7 centimeters. Yes. And if this is 12 centimeters, the opposite side is also 12 centimeters. Okay, now who is the diagonal? Let us name this whole thing. All right, so let's start from here. That is A, B, C, D. Okay, that is given to me. Now, if you see carefully, I know that all the angles inside the rectangle are 90 degrees. Now, let us take one of the triangles. Let us just take the triangle D, A, and B, and actually DB is the diagonal, right? So we know the diagonal is a line which joins the two non-adjacent vertices of any polygon. So I can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and these two are like adjacent, and B and D are the non-adjacent vertices, right? So a line joining that is a diagonal. So we understand BD is a diagonal. So how would I get the length of BD? If I see that carefully, if you just talk about, let me just shade the rest of the other diagram. I don't want this guy. I'm just looking for this guy, that is DAB. And in that, I know that is 7, that is 12, and that is BD, the diagonal. I'm looking for the length of this guy. Use Pythagoras theorem. I know that DB squared will be equal to DA squared plus AB squared. Well, okay, so like the length of this guy whole square, length of this guy whole square, and length of this guy. It's also fine, right? Everything is fine here. In this case, I can write this length or assume that I'm talking about the length of BD. All right, so this is what I'm looking for: length of BD or DB the whole squared, DB the whole squared, and the length of DA is given as what? That is 7 squared. Okay. All right, I just write it 7 squared. 7 squared plus what is the length of AB? Look at that. That is 12 squared. Can I add these guys? Add them. So let's square this one. That is 49. We know that, and that is 144. And if you add these guys, you get how much? 3. Then you have like 9 and 1. 193 is what you get. That is length of DB the whole square. And in the previous video, we understood that if I remove the square from this guy, I can write the length DB is nothing but the square root of 193. That is it. Very simple. You can write this in terms of words also, or I can just say that the square of DB squared is 193. Therefore, the square root of 193 would be nothing but DB. That's all about it.